It's Alex with OttoEx, and we have another cool vehicle for you today. So this is a 1990 Toyota Townace. It's the super custom trim level, and it's got a few cool options on it. Right off the bat, you guys can see that skylite sunroof system, which is a grand total of about 6 sunroofs, and they all have built-in sunshades, and they all also hatch pop open. And this one also fortunately has the light truck mirrors, which are these really long mirrors you see here in front. Great visibility with those, and yeah, it makes it super fun to drive with those mirrors. I'm a big fan of them. Down there we've got the AISIN manual locking freewheeling hubs for engaging your four-wheel drive. Going around back, you can see it's got the TEMS system badge right there. Basically what that is, the Toyota electronically managed suspension, kind of a precursor to all of these auto-adjusting, softening and hardening suspension systems that we have now today in Lexuses and some more premium Toyota trims. So let's take a look inside. I'm just going to do a quick lens switch here for you guys. Alright, getting back to the interior. So we've got cloth seats with vinyl siding, very heavy duty fabric here, long lasting. Original floor mats, road flare, in case you guys were wondering what that is. The center console with some extra storage there. This right here is your 4 high and low for your transfer case. And then, as you can see, pretty standard Toyota dash. This is obviously a right-hand drive vehicle, but right here is where you engage your four-wheel drive, as well as locking the hubs, and then your various other switches. Take a look at the sunroofs. So the way these work is close it, and then if you really want to get some air, you've got this latch here. Pulls out, pops up like that, and from the outside you can see that's how it vents. They all do that. Back. All right, let's move around to the rear. So this is your cool modular cabin. So we've got the skylight roof, which is also a high roof. And these are your rear seats, your rear bench, which fold down. Right now they're in the stowed up position, kind of like a Land Cruiser. And then this is your middle bench and your jump seat, which comes right out pretty easily too. And these both rotate 360. So if you see the photos of this listing on our site, you'll see I've taken photos with everything in different configurations. Headliner is in great shape all the way through. So this comes with a 2CT turbo diesel engine. This is a 2-liter little 4-cylinder turbo by Toyota. And gets about, I would say, 25 to 30 miles per gallon, depending on your driving habits. point this out. There's a little rip here, just from your exit and entering egress and ingress of the vehicle. It tends to get worn out. So 104,000 kilometers. I think conversion wise, that's around 65,000 original miles. Now it's got factory curtains all around, so you can pull those for some additional privacy. There's also a curtain track here with clips, so you could install, and it looks like it had been removed, a curtain to partition off the front cab from the rear. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is start the engine for you guys. Okay. So it does have the original Toyota key code on it. When you start these things, you want to wait for the glow plugs to warm up. There it goes. You can see your little Thames light there is on soft. And when you're braking or turning, it'll switch to hard dynamically. Pretty stout little quiet engine. This is an automatic with overdrive. Very smooth highway cruising on these things. They're pretty comfortable to drive. That's about it for you guys. Pretty straightforward, solid vehicle. We'll be listing it for sale here in Portland, Oregon. Check out our website for the full listing, all the info. Once again, thank you for watching, guys. This is Alex with OttoEx. Stay tuned for more.